guys, welcome back. Merry Christmas. I hope you're having a wonderful day, whatever you decide to do to celebrate today. I thought it would be fun to share with you every single item that I've ever bought from Stitch Fix. I've actually been considering doing this video for a while, but what really spurred me to do this video is because one of you left a comment on one of my videos and you asked if I would do a video like this, and it just kind of like solidified it in my mind that I actually needed to make a video like this. Yeah, I was very surprised. It was actually really good for me to go back and remember everything that I had bought from Stitch Fix. Like, wow. Now I will say that some of this is because I built up credit. I mean, if you ever used my link to shop through Stitch Fix, I did get some credit. Some of this is a result of that, but otherwise, I mean, I spent a lot of money on Stitch Fix. I thought it was worth mentioning that I recently have not bought a lot from Stitch Fix. I feel like something has changed. I'm not sure if it's their strategy on how they're styling boxes. I'm not sure. I don't really know what goes on behind the scenes. I just haven't been reflecting my style. What's funny is that they have that shopping feature on their website now, and a lot of the stuff in there actually does resemble my style. But as far as like the boxes, I really haven't had the best of luck recently. But if you are new here to this channel, I share fashion and styling videos with you every Monday and Friday. I do a lot of unboxing videos, try-on hauls, styling videos, stuff like that. So if you enjoy that, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you enjoy this video idea, because I might possibly do this same video theme with Trump Club. So if you have the time today, go grab your coffee or your tea or a beverage of your choice, and let's chat through everything I have ever purchased from Stitch Fix. First, I'm going to start with these shoes. I got so many requests about these. These are from BC Footwear. I love these. I've worn them so much, especially with like spring dresses and lots of floral prints and all that. So these have really made an impact in my wardrobe. I have definitely put these to good use. First one, and I definitely recommend. I think that they were 100% worth it. This next pair of shoes I bought off the shopping feature, and I love them. These are from a brand called Report, and these are just like that pointed toe flat. They have some like silver studs along the fronts of the shoe, and I love them. Like, I'm really into the pointed toe shoe. Okay. This next one, I don't think I've hardly worn at all. These are a pair of corduroy pants. They're really pretty dark blue. They get so much dirt and dust collecting on the fabric, like it is impossible to keep these clean. They do fit really nicely and they're very warm. It's from a brand called Edison. As far as the style and fabric, I don't recommend them. That one was not a good one for me, but let's move on. This is from a brand, 41 Hawthorne, size medium, and this is actually perfect for this time of year. It's got the red. I've really enjoyed 41 Hawthorne. I think this one was a good purchase. Have definitely been getting my money's worth out of this one. So yes, this one was definitely a hit in my closet. This one has been getting a lot of wear recently. This is from a brand called CC Sportswear. It has the sheer sleeves and it's got polka dots on it. The fabric is pretty good. I mean, I have to be careful with this one because it is a little bit more delicate. I've managed not to rip it so far, so it's still going strong and I still love it. Next, I'm actually surprised I have not worn this that much. I'm so glad that I pulled this out again because this is such a beautiful dress. This is from 41 Hawthorne again. Almost has like a leather feeling, but it's like leather and velvet. I forget what type of material this would be, but I feel like I could use it more. I just have to find like the right sweater, cardigan, or blazer to wear with it because I don't feel like I've quite gotten this look down perfectly, or at least how I want it to be. I remember when I was going through that leopard print phase, and I did request a leopard print mini skirt from one of my boxes, and this did come in a box. I put this to good use for a short amount of time there, but I haven't pulled it out for a while. I mean, it's a really good skirt. I don't know why I haven't worn this more than I have, so I'm definitely going to start wearing this more. Oh my goodness, this next one, I don't know why. Be prepared, this is going to shock your poor eyes. I was going through a phase when I wanted everything like bright and neon. And it's actually a really good sweater. Why I got it in this bright color, I'm not sure. It is from Gold Ray. I actually haven't worn this as much as I thought I would. I'm going to kind of hide it down here because it's really bright. I just wish that I had gotten it in a little bit more of a wearable color because I feel like I probably would have worn it more. I feel like I'm kind of in the middle with that one. Like, it was a good purchase, but at the same time, I feel like I probably could have done better with that one. This next one, I am pretty sure I bought this in my very first Stitch Fix box. It's this scarf, and I actually do wear this a lot. It's done very well. I definitely have gotten my money's worth out of this one. Next, I have this faux fur teddy coat, and this one I have put to good use. This is from Lucky Brand. I did purchase this through the shopping feature, so this was not sent in a box. The only thing with this one is that sometimes the fuzzies do kind of like come out and they really irritate my nose. Don't wear this unless it's really cold because it will keep you very warm. So this was a good purchase. I'm glad that I did buy this one because I love it. So next I have this floral jumpsuit from Kaylee, and I did get this in a Stitch Fix box. I used to love this, and I used to wear it all the time, but it's not my favorite anymore. It is a really comfy material. I think it's just the style of it. I don't know. Something about it now just does not call my name. Second best purchase from Stitch Fix would have to be these denim overalls. I love these so much. I still wear them. These are from Blank NYC. I've linked them in the past and they're always out. They are always sold out. And they're always sold out for a reason because these are so good. It's a little bit more of a crop style on me, but I love these. I wear these a lot. I still have a few more items to go, but this is by far the best thing I've ever purchased from Stitch Fix. The cardigan from Madewell. It has like the pom-pom style on the sleeves, like that balloon sleeve style, and this sweater is so well made. It is heavy. It's almost like a coat. It is an investment, but I will say that I've seen this same cardigan go on sale several times. Alright, so next, this is something that I bought off the shopping feature, and I'm surprised I haven't worn this more than I could. Like, I really could wear this a lot more. Like, there was a time when I was really into the jean jackets. I definitely see myself pulling this out in the future and using it a lot more than I have this past year. It's really good for the springtime, I feel like. Spring and fall. So this one I know I've worn a lot as well. This is a black lace top from Lulu's. This is a really nice soft lace. It's not itchy. It's not irritating. I think this is very well made. This definitely goes along with my romantic style. I love this. I'm actually going to keep a mental note that I would like to see more lace in my Stitch Fix boxes. We have like 5 more things. Okay, so this top I actually bought from the shopping feature. It's a bodysuit that does not fit me very well, and it's very irritating, and I never returned it, and I'm not sure why. I think I just really hoped that I would like fit into it or something, but yeah. I'm probably going to end up having to put this on my POSHMARK or something because I would really like to see this go to a good home because it is a beautiful top, but I can't wear it. They need to make them for curvy. If you have seen any bodysuits that fit like more of a curvy shape, let me know because I have been wanting one for a while now and I just have not been able to find one that is comfortable. Alright, this next one, it's got the embroidery on here. I love this top. I wore it a lot during the spring and summer. It's definitely a lighter top, so it's kind of hard to wear it this time of year, so that's probably why I haven't worn it recently. If I had the opportunity to purchase this in different colors, I definitely would. So next, this is a tank top from Paper Moon, and I do like this. The only thing that I would say with this one is that the straps have really like stretched out, but I do love it. I did wear it a lot. I don't think that I would have repurchased this one though, because I have actually found things just like this much cheaper from Shein, actually. These I would repurchase. I wore these a lot this past summer. They're a pair of white shorts. They have like the frayed edges at the bottom, and it is from the brand Pistola, and it's in the size 30. So this is my last clothing item, and it's from Max Studio. It's a size medium. It's this really pretty bright red smocked top. I do like it. I definitely would repurchase. I love this. The only thing with this one is that sometimes the sleeves with this like fabric on the edge is a little bit difficult to work with, but other than that, like, it's a beautiful top. Like, I love it and I wear it. I guess I could technically include this in here, but I bought a Madewell skirt because I got in a Stitch Fix box, but I didn't buy it through Stitch Fix. I bought it through Madewell because it was cheaper. So, I mean, that's happened a couple times too. The last thing that I have ever purchased from Stitch Fix, these earrings from Madewell. I would say, like, I've worn these a good bit. I would recommend these. I've loved them. They're good quality. They have kind of crusted over a little bit with, like, probably my hairspray, actually. But they're still going strong. That is everything that I've ever purchased from Stitch Fix, and I've gotten like 26 boxes, I think, 26 or 27. A few of them are from the shopping feature, so some of these didn't even come in boxes. But overall, I'm really happy with my purchases. I feel like a lot of these are still being put to good use, but I will say the past few months with Stitch Fix haven't been the most personalized. I don't feel like my stylist is actually choosing these things. Like they just, I don't know, do you know what I mean? Like, it just doesn't feel as personal. I've preferred Trunk Club over them. I just feel like they haven't really been sticking with the trends all that much. But I really hope that Stitch Fix listens to the customer and that they make some changes, because I can tell that a lot of people haven't really been too happy with recent boxes. So hopefully they'll change around here soon. But I personally have been preferring Trunk Club over Stitch Fix. Trunk Club just has so much more to offer, and even just all these other companies like ThredUp, NUULY, like the rental companies are really coming in. There's a lot of competition, so we'll see. I know the shopping feature is a favorite for a lot of people, so that's really good. I purchased some things through there and I really enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Christmas day, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!